Stress can show up on our bodies in a number of ways. One of them is chronic microinflammation-induced aging, also called Inflammaging. Now, here to prevent and treat that is Dr. Sherry Ingraham with Advanced Dermatology. Hello there, and welcome to Houston's Morning Show. You've got to tell me about this condition because it sounds like something we might could take charge of. What is Inflammaging?
Inflammaging is chronic low-grade inflammation. That's part of the normal aging process. So as we age, we have internal mechanisms going on, cellular functions that over time cause internal inflammation and damage, kind of like your body's always on low-grade simmer, if you will. And then you add to that external forces like sunlight, smoking, pollution, diet, lifestyle, stress, sleeping, and all of these combine to cause inflammation. And in our skin, this manifests as wrinkles, breakdown of collagen and elastin, brown spots, but we also see it in other body areas like atherosclerosis, Alzheimer's, even macular degeneration in our eyes.
All right, so the question of the day is, can you prevent inflammaging?
You can. So to a degree, you want to help the body's own repair mechanism. So you want to restore function. You want to maintain the skin's barrier, which is constantly basically interacting with our environment. It's our largest organ. So we want to maintain the barrier with barrier sparing products. So you want to use washes that have prebiotics in them. Maintain the skin's microbiome. That's how the body interacts with its environment and prevent some of this inflammation. So things that have prebiotics in them, La Roche-Posay products, sunscreens that have prebiotics in them, like La Roche-Posay, are excellent. Sunscreen is key to preventing that pollution, that environmental damage that's occurring from sunlight, but also diet, right? What can we do in our diet to help our skin? So a lot of anti-inflammatory foods. One of my favorites is curcumin. This is also what's in turmeric in certain foods. So you can take curcumin supplements, eat your turmeric, eat your curry, but also green tea, which has polyphenols. Matcha, we know, does a great job drinking a little matcha or green tea every day. And then, of course, skincare products. There's a huge myriad of skincare products now that fight this inflammaging. And one of my favorites is Resveratrol. This is what's in red wine. Oregon Pinot Noirs, in fact, if you love to drink red wine, have the highest content of resveratrol. Well, SkinCeuticals has a product with resveratrol that you can put on at night that's anti-inflammatory. Also melatonin. We know melatonin not only helps you sleep, but it's also anti-inflammatory. It's anti-inflammatory for our brain, but it's also anti-inflammatory for our skin. So I like this serum, this Melatonin Serum from Isden for our skin.
Okay, so let's talk about treating stress when it comes to our skin. If that's what's starting it in the first place, will it help if you try to lower those stress levels as well and then actually help your skin in the long run?
Lowering stress truly helps everything. Isn't that just the motto kind of our modern world? Our busy lifestyles induce even more inflammation, if you will, because what they're stimulating stress, stimulating that cortisol response, and that can lead to acne and rosacea, and again, the breakdown of collagen and elastin. So anything you can do to lower your stress, sleep better, meditate, but also in your skin, use anti-inflammatory products. So again, you're looking for products that have a lot of anti-inflammatory ingredients. So if you're acne prone, you want to have products that have prebiotics in them, probiotics, things that kind of, again, prevent that microbiome from getting dislodged. Also products that save your skin barrier. You want to use sunscreens that have zinc in them. Zinc is anti-inflammatory, but it also prevents sun-induced damage. And then, of course, we love to talk about topical vitamin C. Vitamin C absorbs a lot of those environmental stressors that cause skin damage. And also it's been shown to prevent acne, because acne, we know, is an inflammatory process now. So if you can prevent inflammation, you can prevent acne and rosacea as well.
All right, that's all good information right there, a load of info for everybody. I have never heard about those prebiotics, probiotics for your face. I'm intrigued, and we'll look into that. Dr. Ingraham, thank you for your time for Advanced Dermatology today.
Thank you.
All right.